Yo, we did like 790 pips on gold last week. Jesus. I'm telling you, man, all you have to do is figure out the overall trend and just ride that baby. Up and down, up and down. But we're going to show you how to do that. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy DeAnte. Break the cycle section. How you doing? And welcome to this week's Gold Forex Forecast. If this is your first time to my channel, first of all, let me say, how you doing? Be sure that if you get value from this channel, then you click on the subscribe button, as well as that notification bell so you never miss an update when we drop a new video, okay? Also, be sure to check out our free Telegram channel down below in the description. Inside that channel, I drop weekly trades. I also drop weekly chart markups, as well as tips, tools, and all kinds of things for free that I use to make profit throughout the week. Daily, okay? So make sure you check out that free Telegram channel. Once again, that link is down below. Also, if you're looking for a community to learn how to trade with, to grow with, check out our academy, breakthecyclefx.com. That link is also down below. Inside my academy, I teach Forex, what I do, step by step, okay? I also give out tons of strategies, tools, templates. We also have a support community that's there to help you whenever you need. All kinds of things, daily signals. It's crazy in there. So make sure that you guys go check out breakthecyclefx.com, alright? So without further ado, as you already heard, over 790 pips on gold last week. Jesus, right? So let's go check out what we can make this week. Let's go! So last week on gold, there was a couple of things. Sunday, we saw that price was right at the top of our I wanted to say our ascending triangle. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But anyway, it was at the top of our zone here, all right, at the top of our trend line. And we're saying that, look, if gold don't break this trend line right here, it's going to sell. Okay, and there was two different options or two different scenarios on the sell. It would be, the first scenario was gold could just drop from where it was and break our channel, retest and buy and sell like it did over, like we were saying over here. The break, the retest, and then the sell. Or gold could have fell down to the bottom of our trend line and then bought back up again, and then came to sell, okay? Either way, we're waiting for the sell. We already knew it was going to happen because of this huge drop over here, okay? We just constantly had lower highs on lower, basically lower highs coming in this range here, all right? So let's see how gold played out. We already know gold fell. It fell hard, okay? Here's gold. What was that on the 4-hour time frame? So check it out. So here's how it played out on gold last week. It didn't buy up again, right? It didn't buy up again, but right from Sunday, it just freaking fell. Man, who caught that fall? Who else caught that fall? Anyone else on this gold? Joshua, that's what's up. That's what's up. So it played out. We got the fall. How many pips was that? About 710 pips all the way down, right? From the very top, if you got in Sunday night, well over 1,000 pips, okay? So what now? I'm still overall bearish on gold. Okay, I wanted to see, like, we had this breakout here. We had the breakout, and it did retest quite a few times, right? It did retest quite a few times, and then finally fell again. So I want to see, I'm still expecting to hit this target down here, but before it does that, it might pull back first, okay? So here's why I say that. Right now, let me see if we can see it better on the 1 hour. All right, let's go back to the 4 hour. Okay. So Right now, we see we're in the middle of our zone. We're still looking for price to hit this support level right here, but it started to pull back a little bit. It pulled back a little bit, creating a little high right here, and then this could possibly be a lower high, signifying a possible uptrend, not uptrend, but a pullback back up, right? So looking at this right now, we could possibly see price break out of this. Probably not that high. Break out. Then pull back. And back up here around the 50 EMA, right at this bottom. But it started going sideways a little bit. So we could possibly see this. Okay? Possibly see that. We won't see that if gold decides, if the dollar decides to buy up, all right? So let's clean this up a little bit. Let's go down to the lower time frame, to 1 hour. So check this out, man. Now we had this gold was steady falling, and then it started to pull back up. Now we had last little double top here, and then it fell again. So on this 1 hour, we gotta watch it like on the 1 hour to 15 minute. If gold does not break your 50 EMA, especially on the 15 minute, then it's not gonna keep on buying. Okay, it's not gonna keep on buying. So it has to break out. Let's move this. It has to break out, then retest first for a buy up. Okay. If it doesn't break that 50 EMA, and the dollar buys up, this can possibly happen. Okay, so basically in a situation like this, there's gonna be a lot of people trading in these zones here, like between the 50 and this bottom trend line, between the top trend line and the bottom trend line, and that's cool, especially if you're scalping, right? What I would suggest, what I'm going to do is, if gold is still below my 50 EMA, I'm only going to be looking for the sells. I'm going to see it pull up. If we get a rejection here, I'm going to sell down. Let's look at our TDR. I like that I always put like a little black line right here and my 50 static, right? So look, on the TDI, we were basically, this is called like a trap zone, all right? When that market sentiment and your RSI, trigger line, and all that is all around the 50 static, and you have a Bollinger Band, these are basically Bollinger Bands here, and this is kind of, it's starting to squeeze, okay? It's starting to squeeze. Every time before these Bollinger Bands start to squeeze, you're gonna have a breakout, either from to the top or the bottom, okay? So this should give you a heads up of, okay, this is about to make this move as it squeezes in this channel. And it's just wait for the breakout, guys. Wait for the breakout. Once you get a retest, take it in the direction it goes, all right? So many people lose money with gold, even myself, like trying to anticipate the move. Every time I try to anticipate the move, a lot of times, sometimes I make money, sometimes I lose, right? But when I wait for the breakout, 100% of the time I win. I'm gonna say it again. All right. Every time I try to anticipate the market, especially gold, and I don't wait for all my confirmations or for my breakouts, especially when it starts to like get sideways movement here. So many people are jumping in here for no reason, right? Wait for the breakout. Okay. Wait for the breakout. When I wait for the breakout and the retest, I win like not saying 99% of the time. If I don't wait for the breakout, I'll try to anticipate which way I think is gonna break out. I lose, I'll say it's probably 50-50, okay? So, remember, we have our zones here, all right? Whichever way it goes, breaks out to the bottom, boom, taking it down to around 18-17. Your first CP could actually be at the previous low, okay? Let's just not speculate how far it's gonna go. If this is a true downtrend, it has to break the lower lows, right? So, it could be, if you hit the retest, first take profits at 1847, second take profit could be at around 1817, right? Start to trade the stop loss.
Same way for the top, if it does break out, you know, you could take it up to 1918 or this previous high over here. Boom. Let's take profit 1. Take profit 2. Same thing for the bottom. Boom. Okay, let's delete some of this stuff over here. All right, how's that look, guys? Does anyone see anything different? Does anyone see anything different? For now, I'm still leaning more towards the bearish side. Really straight to the point charts tonight, guys. Look, I mean, once the main thing, a lot of times I see that, you know, with this chart, when we're marking up these charts, we get stuck in the consolidation areas, right? When prices consolidate in, and especially in the big consolidation areas, like 100 pip consolidation areas and stuff like that, and you're basically like trying to trade a range of market. Once we get this breakout, these breakouts like we did last week, we got these overall breakouts over here. This huge falls is an end on dollar. From there, it's easy money, guys. We know which way it's going to go now, right? We look for the retest and then the continuation. So, you know, we don't always have to redo these charts every week, guys. You know, that's why I like to use the higher time frames, because it takes a couple of days or a while for the stuff to play out.
All right, guys, that's it for gold. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and drop those down below this video. If you got any value from this video, guys, show your boy some love. Click on that like button. Make sure you subscribe and you click on that notification button, okay? As always, remember, we trade what the charts give us, okay? We're looking for about a 250 pip buy. If we wait for the breakout to the top and then a retest, probably about a 500 pip buy on gold from that, all right? So remember, if you want to keep track of these charts, check the description down below for my free Telegram channel. I put all my charts inside there, even when I update them throughout the week, as well as signals and tools and all kinds of stuff. So check out the free Telegram channel down below. Get inside there, get what you need, and let's take this to the next level, all right? As always, it's your boy DeAnte. Break the cycle section, and I'll see you in the next video.